never congratulated him here at Show Speedway. Nope, somebody else was doing it. Tonight, I'm going to get to interview him, and I'm going to make sure he says something. I know he's amped up.
I want you to share what you want to share tonight.
I want you to share tonight with all of them up there. You got a round of applause for being a Marine Corps, in the Marine Corps, and for being always a Marine. Tonight, you're going to drink the course. I want you to share.
Hey, first and foremost, I just want to thank you for everybody coming out tonight. This is a heck of a crowd. It's been a while since we got a race in front of this many people. It's awesome. It's exhilarating. It's been a while since I've been here, almost a year. Decided to shake the dust off this week. I guess I still got it. I wasn't too sure yesterday, but hell, that was a hell of a race. Yeah, I'd just like to thank all my guys who kind of busted on this thing this week, last minute, trying to put it together. Didn't even have a front end on it a week ago. My dad, Bobby, Paul, Jason, the Daniels, Josh Open from the spotter stand. He always gets mad. I don't give a shout out. And I got my boy right down here somewhere. It's pretty cool to leave him in here. It's awesome. Real quick. Pretty cool. We're on TV tonight too. That's awesome. Shout out to my wife. She's watching back home. The neighbors, everybody there. This is awesome. We're gonna party when we get back. Love you.
Let's hear it for Tyler Gallup and number 8 car. Our winner tonight in street stock. Was he still a little bit amped up? I felt he was. Probably still is.
Hold it up high, John. That a boy.
Woo! All right, fans, I got good news. Want to hear the good news?
What's that?
You don't need good news. It's kind of tough. I'm tired. I see you out here again. I'm busy with work.
Thank you guys for watching.
End of the month, maybe?
Maybe.
October, November. Come on, November. Put a monster truck on top of your car. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Kidding, folks. I wouldn't do that.
That was fucking badass.
I will. I'm not the only one to do that with. We're volunteers.
All right, come on. We got to go back over to the other side. We'll go see Daddy over there, okay?
John, what do you think of that, bud?
Okay.
Woo!
Huh?
Go get some drinks, folks.
Give him 5.
Yeah!
All right, let's go.
Anytime. So.
All right, let's go to Tech.